The Nifty really ends the day below 5,600, while Sensex sheds nearly 0.5% in the trading day. Autos, metals were the ones which led the decline for the markets. Gargi Parikh from our research desk is right here to give us all the trading action of the day. Hi, Gargi.
It was a weak closing for the Nifty. In fact, we closed at the lowest point of the day. 55.88 was the closing price that we saw for the Nifty. And if you look at the day's high, almost 56.35 is where we touched. So clearly a sharp decline in the last, probably 1.5 hours of the trading session. We gave up almost 50 points of the day. Also look at the July futures, they were almost at Nifty levels. 55.85 was where July futures were also trading. I believe it also went to a discount for some part of the trading day. The decline in the rupee probably impacting, the markets. World markets, remember, especially Asian markets, did fairly well for themselves. So no triggers from the world market. It was only the rupee probably giving jitters to the Indian market. From the sectoral pack, we had auto, banks and metals. Those didn't perform too well. In fact, they were the top sectoral losers today. FMCG and IT. Both these, the defensive pack, in fact, have been gaining. IT stocks, in fact, did fairly well. Look at a TCS, one of the top gainers on the Nifty. We also had Hero MotoCorp, GAIL, Asian Paints, all of these gaining about 2 to 3% in today's session. From the top losers, we had a Bharti Airtel, M&M, as well as a Kotak Mahindra Bank. All of these didn't perform too well. The mid-cap index, 0.7% decrease that we saw, more or less in line with how the other, sectoral indices have panned out. Muthoot Finance, Hexaware, as well as JP Power were the top gainers. 3 to 4% increase on these counters too. From the losers, we had Gitanjali, Jubilant Life and DB Realty, all of these being the top losers on the BSE mid-cap space. The advance decline ratio clearly in favor of the decliners, 1:2. That's what we saw in today's session.